A growing trend in today's culture is to encourage people to embrace their natural gray hair. What was formerly seen to be an indication of aging or even something to be covered up or masked is now considered a sign of self-acceptance and confidence. Beauty standards are changing as more individuals, regardless of age, choose to embrace their natural hair color. In addition to providing support for those who make the decision to become gray, this movement makes a strong statement opposing social pressure to adhere to traditional notions of beauty. Hi friends! Before moving on, we need your support. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded videos. Hang on till the end of the video, it will be really helpful. Now, let's move on. Why particular care is required for gray hair? Graying is a natural and unavoidable process unless you turn prematurely gray. As a matter of fact, gray hair is actually a stage in between before our hair entirely whitens. The overall gray appearance is caused by a mixture of white hair without any pigment in the strands and tinted hair. Even if more and more women are accepting their graying hair, the gray hair should be gently cared for to stay bright and free of yellow tones, regardless of whether gray hair appears in your 20s or not until your 80s. Regardless of whether your development of silver is due to simple genetics or stressful life events. The pigment that gives your skin and hair its color is produced by cells called melanocytes, which are found in your skin, including the scalp. The quantity of these melanocytes declines as a result of aging, health issues, genetics, and environmental factors. Many ladies choose to dye their gray hair. Here are some suggestions for maintaining healthy gray hair if you decide to keep it that way. Decide on the best cut. Attempting to embrace your gray hair might be greatly enhanced by trying out various hair kits. Regardless of the length of style you select, make sure your hair is healthy and regularly maintained. Remember to use heat protection. Heat styling can dry out your hair, leaving it dull and lifeless. To reduce the damage, you must apply a heat protector in addition to a leave-in conditioner. Additionally, while UV rays can harm natural hair in more general terms, they can be especially harmful to gray hair. If you know you'll be in the sun for a while, wear a scarf or a hat. This will help your hair a lot. Apply conditioner according to the type of hair you have, not the color. Apply a conditioner suitable for the texture and type of your hair. Choose stronger conditioners if your hair is thick and naturally coarse. Otherwise, avoid using too much conditioner on fine hair. Avoid chemicals and harsh shampoos that might cause your hair to become dry. Gray hair is already prone to drying out, so shampoos containing sulfates not only make it worse but can also turn hair gray. Don't fully give up shampoo, though. You still need to cleanse your hair with a clarifying shampoo in order to get rid of mineral accumulation. In fact, gray hair discoloration or yellowing may be due to that mineral buildup. Learn more about choosing a shampoo and wash routine, or try this moisturizing, sulfate-free, and natural option. Take more care of your hair than you usually do. Gray hairs are more rigid due to their decreased flexibility and strength. Avoid overstyling or overheating, as these actions will do greater harm than they did earlier. Try a protein treatment every 4 to 8 weeks if your hair seems very weak or brittle. You may increase the suppleness and strength of your hair using protein treatments. Give your hair some time to breathe. Several hair care practices that may cause harm to your hair consist of using a brush rather than a wide-toothed comb, bleaching, using harsh soaps or shampoos, applying too much heat with a curling iron or hair dryer, and even washing too frequently. Guys, now it's time to conclude the video. Thank you for being to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comments section. Let's meet again with another interesting video.